we will continue our discussion. In this video, we will explore the intersection and also roundabout on component road. So we will continue using the model that we already created previously. Before that, in this is the component road. So you can see here on the right side the attributes that it has, the function, whether it is artery, collector or local, listed here, and in the speed limit 40 km/h currently. So you can see here the curve is in green color. Okay, let me change this one into higher speed, 60 km/h. Then we enter, then updating. We can see the circle or the curve color change to orange. It's because there's a warning that this curve actually it is not suit this speed limit. Let me change or return it back to 40 km/h. Then it is changed to green color. So it means this what you call it, curve is safe. And also you can change the geometry of this one, of the curve. I convert geometry to a spiral curve spiral like that. The transition, it's when it's transition from the tangent straight line before it reach the circle or the curve. Sorry. And then when you click here, because we close the level, so let me change to make it canvas level. So then you have the geometry of this one. So then you can change the what you call it, the length of the spiral. Say we make it 20 meter, enter, so it will rebuild. Then the color, it is already a warning. Maybe it is not so suitable. Length violates roadway design standard. So minimum length to satisfy design standard is 30.857. So previously it is 31, right? So make it 31 and enter. So it starts satisfying the design requirement. So this we can see the what call it, diameter of the road of the curve, and more information detail here. Okay, then the intersection. Let me use this straight line here to accommodate the intersection. So let me start with planning road, or you can also directly go to component road. Okay, component road here. We start from here and then here double click and updating. So we have very simple road here. So let me change this what you call it, the assembly, replace assembly, the same as the assembly that we have here with the my assembly. Enter. Okay, then will be similar. So then let me check here. From this side, you can see here the road already there. I mean the intersection already there. Okay. You can also change the the elevation of the road or the slope on the road. Okay, this is the intersection. Then you can edit the for this road. You can edit the cut material, and then here also for this one. Enter to edit. Is it the same? Yes, this is the same. Then for the intersection, right now we focus to the intersection. We click the intersection. So this is another component, new component generated. You can see on the right side here. So junction type or intersection. Junction type, here is the intersection. So you can select whether intersection or roundabout. So let me focus on the intersection first. The design vehicles, it is a small vehicles. So if you want to change, to add this caravan or this mini lorry, we select this one. So the size of the curve, the size of the intersection will change. So to allow the bigger vehicles to move like that. Okay. Turning it automatically. Fill up here. So then you can have this. And then let me change the junction type to roundabout. Select the roundabout. Okay, so then it's changed to roundabout. Then we can select the type of the standard roundabout. You can have the urban, single line or double line or mini roundabout. Select the mini roundabout here. So we have mini roundabout here. But here, what happened to this one? Oops, sorry. So the roundabout is quite big. Quite big here. So then you can see here, it's a stretch to the whole segment that we have for this road. So maybe this one create the some error in here. Let me change to the bigger one for this one. For the road here, for the roundabout here, make it urban double line or double lane. Urban double lane. Sorry, it's quite small. I want to see the one here. Oh, it's not appear. So this one, the roundabout that we have, but they still have this one. Maybe because of the curve, it's too close to the curve here. So then we cannot manage to edit this one. Select this one. Actually, let me change, so you cannot change. It's already follow the standard of FHWA. What we can do only to move this a little bit like that. Allow to update this. Okay. Okay. And then here, I think it is not so good. The geometry of the road. Let me change. Can we move this one? north. It's rotating, or we can rotate. This not so. We move a bit over there. Okay, so then something like this. So then you can do adjustment a little bit. Okay, then that's for the intersection. Intersection on component road. So here, you can see here, there is a line here. Road on the planning road here. Intersection on the planning road. Then we have adding the planning road, another planning road, and then still populating the what you call it, the data. So maybe we select the equivalent one. I think this one. Oh, maybe this one. The sidewalk. Okay, and then we click here, and then we can see here it will detect the median of the road. Double click, and then it will generate the intersection. But it is not really an intersection. Only the accommodating the join of two planning road. So it is still working. You can see here it is not really an intersection. So if you want to convert it into intersection, what you need to do, you have to convert it to the component road. This part become a component road. This one also convert into component road, and okay. So then it will become an intersection like that. Okay, and then you can still modify the elevation of the road. Okay, that's all for the intersection. We stop here, and then next video we will discuss about the structure, the bridge, and what we call it, the tunnel.